Alright, welcome to K.S.M Creativity channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use Grok to generate image, and also how you can use the same Grok to turn your image to video step by step. I'm going to teach you. Make sure you watch this tutorial from beginning to the end. Don't skip any part so that you will not miss any valuable information. Without waste much time, let's get into the business. So you now come to your phone like this. So if you are using phone, you can also use browser. You can also download the application from Play Store. So this is the application. You can download it from Play Store or Apple Store. You can also search for grok.com on your browser. So when you open it, tap on it like this, it's going to open for you. So you will now come to this side, imagine. Come to the imagine side here. So just tap on imagine. When you tap on imagine, it's going to open this interface for you. So to generate your image, you need to put your prompt to this side at the down side here. So you click this side, so you put your prompt on it. When you tap on it, you are going to see image or video. So for this tutorial, we're going to generate the image first. We now click on image. You see this is your image, so you put your prompt on this side. Just type this side. So you're going to put your prompt at this side. All right, so let me paste the prompt. So as you can see, after I paste my prompt, I will now click send. So I'll click on send. It start generate my image for me. Let's wait and see the result. So as you can see, the result of the image that I generate. So this Grok is going to generate like many image for you. So you are going to select anyone you like out of all this one. So to select one, just tap on anyone you want to download so you can see it. So just click on download button. So it's going to download to your device automatically. So after we have generated our image, so this image now we're going to turn it to video. So to turn it to video, just go back like this. When you go back, the image you generate, just click on this select, or you're going to select this. So we have downloaded our image, so just click on it like this. Click on make video. Make sure you click on make video. When you click on make video, you now click on custom. When you click on custom, you're going to put your prompt at downside there. Make sure you write your prompt. So I'm going to paste my prompt to this side now. So this is the prompt I paste. I say make this image moving forward and say thank God I am AI fashion model. So I now click on send. I click on send. It's going to send our image and start generate our video. So you can see it starting counting. So look at this side. So it's generating our video. Let's wait and see the result. So it has generated.
Fashion model.
So you can see it. It's just look at how realistic this.
Thank God I'm an AI fashion
Wow.
model.
So you can see it. So all what you just have to do is to click on download button. So it's going to download it to your phone automatically. So this simple way how you can generate image and turn it to video from Grok AI. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification, because in our next tutorial I'm going to show you how you can using it to create different content. So thank you for watching this one. See you in the next tutorial.